everybody, it's me Didi, long time no see. Yes, I know. So today I am back with another video, which is the unboxing, unseal album. Okay, not unboxing video because I already unboxed the parcel. I can't wait anymore. I know that is the parcel of the album, so I was like, when I grabbed it and then I was like I unboxed the parcel already. I haven't unsealed the album set. Oh, before that, YouTube, play my intro. So guys, today I am so excited. I am so sorry. I'm going to unseal the albums from BI. He released this album on 1st June 2021. They released two versions. This one is the Waterfall version and this one is a Seaside version. So I got both of them because I couldn't decide. I got both of them. I think I'm going to unseal the Waterfall version first. Let's unbox black. Let's unseal it together. Oh my god, I am so excited. Wait. Oh my god, I am so... It's not nervous, it's just like excited. Okay, let's unseal this one first. This is a Waterfall version. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know how to describe this feeling. It's kind of like I'm so happy and excited because after 2 years of waiting, finally, oh my god, I can't believe this is happening right now. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, I love this picture. I'm going to open the jacket. This is the cover that I got. Oh my god! Oh my god! You sit there. Let's take a look at the album. So this is the cover. Oh, this one is nice. Yeah. It has a track list, song credit, content. Oh my god. Wait. Let me... this one. Okay, this is the CD at the very end of the album. You can find the CD. So this is CD. This is Waterfall version. Okay, this is the Waterfall version. I'm gonna put it inside. So, oh my god. I'll tell you something. That's why I love buy the solo album. You are surely will get everything about that solo artist. You know what I mean? Everything is Kim Hanbin. Oh my god, this is so freaking cool. Wait. This is so freaking cool. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. You couldn't see the whole face, but you know, he is handsome. He is so freaking good looking. I have no complaint for the whole photo book filled with Kim Hanbin because look at him. Look at his face. Perfect. Look at this man. He is so fine. So fine. Look at that. He is... Apa dia bi? Tak pakai baju, tunjuk kat orang. Tak malu kan? Look at that. This is from the poster, right? Made the eye makeup look inspired by this poster. Forget to subscribe. That's all for the photo books. Also, in this photo book contains the lyrics. So now I'm going to unseal the Seaside version. So let's take a look. Okay. So I got this poster. I love love this outfit. This is. I really love this one. But I think it's the. So the same one. It has the jacket. This is the cover that I got. Love this one. At the end of the photo book, you will get the CD too. So this is how it looks like. So let's take a look at the photo books. This is so nice. Look at that. Oh, and this one. I have another eye makeup look inspired by this poster. So yeah, check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. Why are you here alone? Let me sit there with you together. It is so pretty. Look at it. So pretty. So handsome. He is so fine. I don't understand how this person can be so freaking fine. Malam already. You dah tujuh pantai saya malam, Bin. Boy. Tadi nak balik. This one is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I love the color scheme. Apa ni? Kenapa sedih? Hello. So yeah, that's the end of the photo books of the Seaside version. Also, the photo book contains the lyrics as well. We're going to open the Waterfall version first. I don't expect anything. Like I said before, I welcoming everything. Also, we're going to see the book later. I got this one. This one. This. And this one. Yeah. So, hampir tak sempat I nak buat apa-apa dan nampak dah suratnya. Malaysia panas sangat. You don't have to put the heat on the love letter because apparently the stickers. So yeah, that's Waterfall versions. I'm going to open the Seaside version. Cute. Look at that. So this is the PC that I got. Oh, I got the same one. So for the postcard, I got this one. The same one as the one I got from the Waterfall version. So I got two of these. I got the grey one. For the love letters, this is the Waterfall version. This is the Seaside version. So yeah, they are different love letters. This is from the Waterfall version. This is from Seaside version. So yeah, the Waterfall version is a blue in color, and then the Seaside version is red in color. This piece that I got. I don't expect anything. I don't hate anything. I'm welcoming everything. So I don't like get frustrated or whatever. So I'm happy with my post. So yeah guys, I think that's that for today's video. Thank you so much for watching me unseal the albums of BI. So till the next video, see you guys, bye.